In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send with Sendgrid using single sends. First, make sure you're logged into your Sendgrid dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where Sendgrid keeps all of the tools related to marketing emails, including campaigns, automations, and in our case, single sends. Once you're inside the marketing section, find and select Single Sends. This area is specifically designed for one-time email campaigns like newsletters, announcements, or promotional blasts. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Go ahead and click that to start setting up a new email. Sendgrid will now ask you to choose a template. You have a few options here. You can pick a pre-built Sendgrid design template, use one of your own saved templates, or start completely from scratch with a blank template. If you're new, a pre-built template can save time, but if you already have a specific design or branding, your own template or a blank one may be better. After choosing your template, select the Design Editor. This is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop editor that lets you customize your email visually without needing to write any code. Before you dive too deep into the layout, it's a good idea to set up your basic email details. Switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you'll configure the core information for your send. Start with the From Sender field. Choose your verified sender email from the dropdown. This must be an address you've already verified in Sendgrid to ensure proper deliverability and to stay compliant with email standards. Next, fill in your subject line. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so make it clear and relevant to the content of your email. Finally, choose your recipients. You can select the lists or segments that should receive this message, depending on how you've organized your contacts. When your settings are in place, move back to designing the email. In the Design Editor, use the drag and drop tools to add and arrange elements like text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so the email matches your brand and reads clearly on both desktop and mobile. When everything looks good, click Review Details and Send. On this final screen, double-check your settings, subject line, sender, and recipient lists. If you're ready to go live, confirm and send it immediately. If you'd like it to go out later, choose the Schedule option and set your preferred date and time. Once scheduled or sent, your single send is on its way.